discussed about solutions in our previous session. We'll be continuing with solutions only. This is my session 2. In the previous session we discussed like solution, it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. The components of solutions, I told you solute and solvent. The solute is that component of the solution which is present in lesser amount as compared to the other, or solvent can be explained as that part of solution, that component of solution which dissolves the other component. And we discussed like water is the universal solvent. Then we discussed about the types of solutions, like they are saturated and unsaturated solution. The amount of solute dissolved at a particular temperature in a solvent or in a solution is known as its solubility. We discussed the factors of solubility. Now in continuation with the previous topic only, we'll be discussing what is concentration and what are dilute and concentrated solution. Now in solutions, the relative proportion of solute and solvents can be varied. आप वेरी कर सकते हो solute और solvent की proportion को, and since they can be varied, so we get dilute, we get two types. We can classify them, we can classify the solutions into two types, mainly known as dilute and concentrated solution. Now we can classify solution into dilute and concentrated solution. Now these two are relative terms. Like these two terms are taken in comparison. If I talk about dilute and concentrated, I'll explain you with the help of an example. Suppose I take 100 grams of water, and water is my solvent here. Temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. I have taken 100 gram of H2 water. Again, here the solvent is same and the quantity is also same, 100 gram of water. Now suppose I dissolve few crystals of copper sulfate, few crystals, or I say 5 gram of copper sulfate in this 100 gram of water. My copper sulfate is solute, 5 gram I have dissolved in this at 20 degrees Celsius. I'll quickly stir the solution, and in next beaker I dissolve approximately 21 gram of copper sulfate. Now here I took few crystals. Here I have taken a spatula full of, or a spoon full of copper sulfate, and I have dissolved in 100 gram of water. What do I observe? I have got solution in both the cases. Now this is also a solution of copper sulfate in water, and it quickly mixed with the water. Similarly, here also I have got a solution of copper sulfate and water. So what is the difference between the two? Yes, the difference is in the intensity of the color. In the intensity of the color of the solution, here what I observe is I get light blue color. I get a solution of light blue color, and here I get solution of, the intensity of the color is dark blue. Now what are these solutions? Why is it variable? Since I have varied the amount of solute in same amount of solvent although, but I have varied the amount of solute. So such kind of solutions are known as dilute solution, where the amount of solute is quite less as compared to solvent. So these are known as dilute solution, जिसमें amount of solute कम होता है as compared to the solvent, that is known as dilute. And concentrated is when we have enough amount of solute, या solute का amount ज़्यादा है in a given amount of solvent. As compared to नहीं बोलेंगे, as compared का मतलब क्या है कि इतना सारा थोड़ी बराबर नहीं हो सकता solute and solvent. There should be, one should be in lesser amount and one should be in greater amount. So the amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solvent is large. If the amount of solute is quite large in a given amount of solvent, then we say the solution is concentrated solution. Like now these two are relative terms. We cannot express the concentration of the solution based upon this. Now what is concentration? Concentration of a solution, it is quite important. What is concentration of a solution. What is concentration? Concentration is the amount of solute dissolved. कितना solute dissolved है? The amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solvent or solution. The amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solution is known as concentration. Is known as its concentration. कितना amount of solute dissolved है is known as its concentration. Now there are various methods of expressing concentration. There are various methods. There are approximately 10 or 11 methods: normality, molarity, parts per million, parts per billion. But in your 9th standard we have two methods only through which we'll express the parameters of expression of concentration are only two. It is mass by mass percentage. Mass, first is mass by mass percentage. Mass by mass, this is mass of solute, by means divided, mass of solution, and percentage, we need to find percentage, so we'll multiply by 100. So what is the formula of this? How will we find concentration? How will we express the concentration of the solution? By mass percentage. You often get numerical and it is asked, express the concentration by this method, mass by mass percentage. So it is, the formula is mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiply by 100. This is your mass of solute in grams divided by mass of solution into 100. Next is mass by volume percentage of the solution. So mass by percentage, mass by volume percentage is, formula is, you will take mass of solute. Like when you suppose your score was, out of, you had your midterm exams and out of 40 your score was 20. So how do you calculate the percentage? It is 20 by 40 multiply by 100. 20 by total marks multiply by 100. इसमें भी यही कर रहे हैं. Will be calculating, will be finding the percentage like mass of solute divided by पूरा solution कितना है, volume. Since it is volume percentage, I'll take volume here. Volume of solution multiply by 100. I hope it is clear. We have done concentration of solution. What is concentration? The amount of solute dissolved in a solution. कितना solute dissolved एक particular solution में, that is concentration of a solution. Like suppose you take 100 gram of water and you take two beakers A and B. You put 5 spoons of sugar in beaker A and 10 spoons of sugar in beaker B in 100 gram of water. So जिसके अंदर 10 grams of sugar आपने डाली है, 10 spoons of sugar जिसमें डाली है, that is more concentrated क्योंकि उसमें solute ज़्यादा है. That is more concentrated solution. जिसमें भी solute की quantity ज़्यादा होगी out of the two, that is more concentrated. तब मैंने कहा relative होती हैं, एक दूसरे की comparison में देखते हैं हम. Like dilute में less amount of solute is dissolved, in concentrated it is more amount of solute is dissolved. So it is concentration. Now since these are two relative terms, हम इनके ऊपर rely नहीं कर सकते. We need some authentic quantity to describe the concentration. So concentration can be calculated by two ways in your 9th standard. First is mass by mass percentage, next is mass by volume percentage. Mass by mass means mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiply by 100. Mass by volume percentage is mass of solute by volume of solution multiply by 100. Now we'll do one numerical related to this. Suppose in a solution, एक solution है in which 40 gram of sugar is dissolved in 320 gram of solvent, or you can take water or solvent ले लो. This is solvent basically. 40 gram of sugar is dissolved in 320 gram of solvent or water. Calculate the concentration using by or express the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage. So for calculating the percentage, पहले तो आप लिखोगे what is mass of solute. We'll go stepwise. Mass of solute here is 40 gram. Mass of solvent is equal to 320 gram. Now mass of solution, पूरा solution कितना था? Now solution का मतलब क्या होता है कि solvent and solute are dissolved. Solute plus solvent makes a solution. So I'll consider mass of solute. Suppose this is Ma and this is Mb. So mass of solution will be Ma plus Mb. This will come out to be 40 plus 320 and 360 grams. Now next, you need to find the concentration. Formula, you will write the formula of concentration. This is the formula. Concentration is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution multiplied by 100. So mass of solute in this case is 40 divided by mass of solution is 360 multiplied by 100. So you need to calculate, and answer will be in percentage. This is 11.1%. So concentration of the solution is 11.1%. This is quite easy, nothing much. So I'll quickly wind up the topic solutions. We'll discuss the properties of solutions. Properties. Now solution, it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Let me quickly write it down for you. Now what is a solution? It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances the size of particle, now size of particle is quite small. Like if you dissolve NaCl in water, you are unable to see. Once it gets dissolved in water, you are unable to see the particles of NaCl separately. So you cannot, you're not able to see them with your distinct eyes or with your naked eyes. Size of particle is quite small. Size of particles is quite small. Approximately it is 1 nanometer. Size is quite small. 1 nanometer is 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. So you are unable to see with your naked eyes. Next is the solution is quite stable. Once you leave it, it remains as such. कोई उसके particles अलग अलग नहीं होते हैं कि आप उसको छोड़ दोगे तो it will settle down. No, they are quite mixed with each other. They are quite gelled into each other. So the solution is quite stable, and the particles cannot be separated by filtration. Since the size of the particle is quite small, it is quite mixed up, it is quite gelled up into the solvent particles. So you cannot separate the particles of the solution through the method of filtration. So these were the properties of solutions which we have done in these two sessions. I hope it is quite clear, and if you still have any doubt, just ask me in the doubt session or your comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.